Hi, my name is Ethan DiCostanzo and this is my capstone presentation. So ever since I was a kid, I've always loved building, designing, and creating random things. Last year, my parents renovated our house and I liked watching and learning how these are done. I decided to start my own project. So in my capstone, I made scale drawings and I built a 40-inch by 40-inch model house based on my drawings. This is the drawing I made for my house that I was going to build. So the execution and how I did it. I started looking at some house blueprints and models. After the first couple days, I drew my first sketch. I went around asking different companies to see if I could get old blueprint models and stuff to help me out, and I even searched them up online. After making some adjustments, my final sketch was complete and I started working on a floor plan and design, which I found to be the hardest part, mainly because I drew everything to scale. So this is my first floor. If you see, everything is drawn to scale, 10 feet by 5 feet, the kitchen, the walls, everything. So how I measured it was every half an inch is 1 foot in real life. So right here, this is 5 inches, but in real life it would be 10 feet. I did that with every single wall, every single appliance, everything. The stairs. And that was my first floor, and then this is my second floor. I did the exact same thing. Got the games room, the theater room, bedroom. Everything's titled. It's a 5-bedroom house, 3 washrooms. And yeah, that was what I believe took the hardest and the longest time, as everything was drawn to scale. Just like the model is the one I'll show you in a bit. So the building. This was the part I was most excited to do, as I like to build stuff. I started by getting a solid base and just started drawing my floor plans onto the wood. And from there I was able to build the walls and paint. I'll show you that right now. So this is my house that I built. You see, you get the front entrance, the windows, front entrance, you get the garage door. Everything is based on exactly how I drew it. Everything is drawn exactly to scale how I drew it. It's a little balcony there. The back deck. And the cool thing I did to this house here is if I turn the lights off, I had actually created light switches for the back, so you can see it at night, just like how you would in a real house. You have all the lights on the inside, the shining lights on the outside so you can see. Garage is fully lit up. All around the house, there's no dark spots anywhere. You can see every single window. You still have the balcony, every single door. And I built them by putting mini light switches on the bottom. If I turn the lights back on here though, I'll explain the rest of my capstone. So after calculating all material and labor plans, it's on a 0.21 acre lot, which you can find out on the west side. I've calculated everything. The house would be worth $960,926. This is all average and estimated cost is because everything changes and you might get some discounts, some deals. I'd like to thank Dave Mattias for going over my drawings and ideas. My dad for helping me throughout the building process and letting me use the shop, and Miss Spina for answering any questions that I had. This is my capstone project. Thank you for watching.